Hey everybody, so today what we're going to be doing is talking about, once again, pizza. I feel like we've been talking a lot about pizza over the last few weeks that we've been in quarantine, but hey, I love pizza and I'm sure that you do too. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a batch of pizza dough, and what I mean by batch is simply the number of recipes. So in this case, we're going to be talking about if I have one batch of pizza dough, it's going to require 8 cups of flour, 3 cups of water, and 1 cup of oil. Now, if I were to double that, say that I had some friends coming over and I wanted to make more than one batch or one recipe of pizza dough, then I would have to double that. Let's say that I wanted to make 2 batches right here. So, what I would do is I would double everything. And the easy way to do that is I take my cups of flour, so 8, I want to multiply it by 2, and now I have 16. So that is 16 cups of flour. Let's do the same thing for water. I want to double that, so 3 times 2 equals 6. Now I want to do the same thing for the oil. So 1 times 2 equals 2. So I'm going to go ahead and type that down here. So I have 16 cups of flour, I have 6 cups of water, and I have 2 cups of oil. And that is for 2 batches. But what if we wanted to make 3? What if we wanted to make 4? Well, that's what I'm going to let you guys figure out. So I want you to record a video sharing with me how many cups of flour, how many cups of water, how many cups of oil it takes to make 3 batches of pizza dough and 4 batches of pizza dough. And I want you to show me your work by holding your paper up to the camera. Good luck with this one, guys, and have fun.